This is Dashcam video recorded in East Oakland. A driver approaches the intersection of 98th and San Leandro Street. He's got a green light, but a man driving this white pickup truck goes into the intersection. There is honking. That driver blocks the intersection, and then this.
Heard that.
The driver opened fire at the vehicle, leaving this bullet hole in the side of it.
That's the first thing I thought of. It's like, wow, this is the Wild Wild West.
We've hidden the identity of the man who recorded this video due to safety concerns. We've blurred the face of this man pending a police investigation.
First, it looked like just his fist. But when he got out of the car, I saw something that was underneath his fist. So I'm figuring it's got to be a hammer.
But look closely. This is no hammer, rather what appears to be a handgun with an extended magazine clip. No one was hurt, but when the man who recorded this video tried to file a police report, he was unsuccessful.
Apparently, they have a way of doing things here that I'm not accustomed to. I called them 2-3 times. And I figured they would want this information because there's somebody out there and he's going to hurt somebody.
We did reach out to Oakland police, who tell us there is an incomplete report on this incident, but are looking into the matter. The man we spoke with said this was a violent situation. He could have been killed and is upset over the response.
You got to be kidding me. You know what I mean? And I'm just trying to do my civic duty and let them know like I'm supposed to do. And the process to me just seemed absurd.
A dash camera was used here, and our victim is recommending those dash cams to others out there. He also says he may not be honking as much going forward.